Okay guys, now we will try the first step. Whoa. You see that, guys?
Welcome to Oculus. After this tutorial, you'll be ready to explore. It's time to learn about your Oculus Touch controllers. Now, try pressing all of the glowing buttons with your thumbs.
Okay. X, Y, A.
Try moving the thumbsticks around. The thumbsticks can also be pressed like buttons.
Like this.
Press them in until you feel them click.
It's vibrating when you press.
Next, use your index fingers to squeeze the triggers on your controllers. Locate the grip buttons and squeeze them with your middle fingers. Now let's see what your virtual hands can do.
It's vibrating now, guys.
To make a
controller
fist,
turns into
squeeze
hand.
the grip with your middle finger and hold it down. To point, keep squeezing the grip and just lift your index finger. Now use your index finger to push the button in front of you.
Push the button.
To pick up an object, squeeze and hold the grip button with your middle finger. Try reaching out and grabbing one of these blocks. Release the grip button to drop it. Your virtual hands can do just about anything. Go ahead, play with some of these items.
Hold middle finger to grab. Okay.
Looks like you're getting the hang of it. Here's a few more to try.
When you try to grab, the controller is vibrating also. Oh, stay. You control it. Okay, now you can also grab things and then pull, tab, and release. This one also. Pull, tab, and release. And then it will come back. You can catch it. When it comes back, we will try to catch it. See? And that's when you press the trigger it will go. Okay, it bumps. Let's try to bring him back. So now it's coming back. So it's like you have a drone in your hand. You see? It's like remote control.
When you're ready to explore some new VR worlds, insert a cartridge into the console.
Okay, now let's try the I think it's a shooting game. Press button. Okay. Now we're in a different world now. You can see, guys, when I look outside. So it's like you're on the top of the platform, and then there's a big equipment here, or big space. Now let's try there's three buttons here. The first one is gun, single, and then double, and then long gun. Let's try the single gun. Wow! When it shoots, it vibrates, guys. The gun vibrates. And it's also in the same time. There's no delay, guys. There's no delay. It's accurate too. Now let's try the second gun. Two guns. Grab and then trigger. Really accurate, guys. The single shotgun. Okay, guys. start with long gun. I don't think it's single. It's automatic. Guys, it's really good, guys. Yeah, you know the gun on the when you go to a game house, you can see a gun there. It's like the same gun. It vibrates when you shoot. My hand also vibrates. When you shoot with only with that one hand, it's not that accurate. But when you hold it with your other hand, it's see. 7 8 press. Oh, this is great, guys. Okay. I hope guys you will buy or you will try to use it because it's really a different world. Let's go to another game. So I suggest guys,
when you're ready to explore another virtual world, insert the cartridge into the console.
Before you go to a game, try to play this one first because you will have a more knowledge about the controls and how to control it. So it's really a different experience. Okay, insert both plugs. So we're going to insert this one. Okay. So it's like we're on a stage. Shake the duct. Very good dance, guys, huh? Join me, guys. Ah, it's like he's copying me. Get down, get down. Grab a hand. It's vibrating, guys. It's like you're holding something. Spin your partner. really crazy. Okay, it's Philip. No more. Okay guys, as you can see, it's really a good game. Okay guys, if you are not yet buying Oculus, you should buy one.
When you're ready to leave this
really good.
tutorial, insert the exit cartridge.
Now we're going exit, and before I go exit, I would like you guys to I'd like to ask you something, guys. So please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. It's free and it can help me. And also please press like if you like the video, or share it to your friends. And if you have questions, do comment down below, and I will try to answer each question you have. Okay guys, see you in my next video.
You've got the basics down. Time to explore all that VR has to offer. Have fun!